Meaning of henna.
henna,
Henna.
henna,
Henna. Henna is a dye obtained from the dried leaves of the henna plant, also known as Lawsonia inermis. It is commonly used to create intricate designs on the skin or hair in various parts of the world, particularly in South Asia and North Africa. The application of henna is a form of temporary body art and is often associated with celebrations such as weddings and festivals. The use of henna is believed to have originated in ancient Egypt and has since been used for its medicinal properties, as well as for cosmetic purposes.